Morning guys, November 2nd, 2023. I got this call from this older lady last night that her boiler was making a weird noise. And I told her I'd go by there in the morning and, you know, probably nothing to worry about. And I called her in the morning and she says it stopped making the noise. And she called me today, and I had a full day, that it started making the noise again, and her daughter's calling me. She's flipping out about the noise and she wants me to go over there. It's almost 5 o'clock at night, so I said I'll go over there and see what she's blabbering about, see what she's talking about. They're all panicking over there. I know it's a newer boiler, and got the ECM circulators. It might be that, one of them ECM circulators, I bet you. It's a newer, I think it's a triple pass boiler. New Yorker. Triple pass or something like that. Well, anyway, her daughter's there and she's there, and no, she's gonna be calling me all night, so I might as well go by and see what she's talking about, see if I can fix it for her. There a couple of months ago, maybe doing a cleaning on it, put a filter and nozzle and whatnot. I mean, but I really don't like working after supper. But I don't know why I'm going out. Damsel in distress, I guess. I'm gonna pay me the premium rate. I mean, what can I tell you? Just red hot, so we're gonna just, I got it off, we're just gonna change it, alright?
Okay. I really appreciate you coming out.
Oh, she won't be able to sleep, right? Alright, so we've got it off here. This thing is like red hot. That's definitely what the problem is. Guarantee it.
So what causes that? Is that
the circulator. I got shut-offs, like an isolation shut-off, so it's not gonna be a big deal to change it. We'll change it right out. No big deal.
Okay.
I'll just unbolt it and put a new one right on there.
Is it a faulty piece?
I have one right there.
Right, but is that new? Like, was that done recently?
I have no idea how old it is. When did she have the boiler put in?
I don't know.
It's got to be a couple of years old at least, because...
Alrighty, I'll leave you to it then. Thank you.
We'll put a new one in for her, okay?
Awesome, awesome. Appreciate it.
Things flipping red hot. It was calling for heat when I got here. I'll unbolt it and bolt a new one in there, so... Thing must have been flipping, squealing like a stuck pig. This thing's cooked. The paint's all burnt off it. Whoa, look at the capacitor. Wow. Capacitor's all burnt. That's probably what it is. The capacitor's all cooked. Just unbolt it. Whoa. There's a leaker. Wow. He's a leaker. He's a leaker. Probably building flipping steam in there or something. Wow, flipping thing is hot. Can't even touch it. That's pretty rad. There's a leaker. Wow. Thing's been probably cooking along for who knows how long. Whoa. There's any flipping. Capacitor was bad, burnt the motor up. See the O-ring in there? I gotta take that out. It might still be good. I'm alone right here, I'll just unbolt it. This one bolted going in there. This flipping thing is just flipping. Going crazy. Put the new O-ring in there. Whew, that flipping thing's hot. Wow. Thing's been just baking in there. Alright, got the O-ring in there now. This is a new one. You want to make sure you don't screw the gasket up. You want to screw up that O-ring. Like a man. Make sure you get them in right, or it'll be an issue. There's 4 bolts. The thing was just flipping cooked. She was a flipping. She was cooked. Turn this valve on and see if we got any leaks. Shouldn't. I'll just have to wire it and it'll be good. Cast iron baseboard upstairs, so I don't think that's a problem with the nutty. White to white. Yeah. Flipping that's kind of weird. No way it'll work. Weird. Got the yellow to black. Yeah, the capacitor was cooked. This one must have heated up or something. try a new walnut. Yeah. Thing might have got hot. I'm crazy. Easy fix, well. Oh. Easy fix. Turn it on and that circulation should kick on. Circulating now. We'll see if it comes back. You can see it goes up to that. This thing's just puffed. Thing's red hot. Yeah, there's only one was calling when I got here. I come here and I touched it and I couldn't even, it was like red hot, so that's what it was. Simple fix. Yeah, she's coming back warm now. Here 6 months ago.